top news headlines. Society cannot move ahead without healthy people, says Minister Dr. Radhesham. MPCV Chairman L. Radhakishore against environmental pollution. Prime Minister Modi extends New Year greetings. Hello and a warm welcome. On behalf of Times of Manipur, Maria Pangmang wishes you all a very happy New Year. You are watching the news today at 1 p.m. Now the news in details. People of Hairok constituency, led by Education Minister and Hairok MLA Dr. Thokchom Radhesham, carried out a run under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Feed India movement. The run was organized by BJP Hairok Mandal. It started from Laurengbam, Chinglak and ended at Nesa ground of Nongpok Sekmai, where the participants displayed yoga asanas. Taking part in the run, Minister Radhesham stated that a society cannot move ahead without healthy people. Dr. Radhesham asserted that the run was organized so that Hairok can take part in the efforts to make a healthy society free of drugs. The run was also attended by President of BJP Hairok Mandal Thokchom Charjit, Upadaksha of Thoubal Jilla Parishad and member of Hairok Jilla Parishad and workers of BJP Hairok Mandal.
Ungang sangang hauna lonchet sida maming leba sana khona bada maming leba aduma lamdam picture of adum lamdam amani madugi sanabi adugumba lonchet mayam do madu ngak paise akoi gi thoni haura iba ngang singda afaba lambi tambi ba ibse akoi na afaba tawro makoi na nungsi ba jat bijat khai daba party khai daba Congress BJP CPI aiba khai daba sab manaba kunai amaga nungsi na yam phajana santi oina leiba adu ama kunai ama oyan bada isora mateng pangwisanu adu mayam punong na akoi santi leiba afaba hairo kendra gi samaj ama semada saruk hanagi yabiba adu khare ni yabiraga
Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board MPCB L. Radhakishore today extended New Year greetings to the people of Manipur. In his message, Radhakishore urged the people of Manipur to avoid polluting the surrounding environment in order to maintain good health and development in the state.
2019 national 2020 lakpagi Happy New Year. Welcome to Zeri. Loinana Manipur de Leriba, Praja Singh, Maruena, Lomi Farmer Singh, Adugai Chisel Singh, Maruapa Singh, NGO Singh, CSO Singh, Mara Paibi Singh, Loinana, Ahalman Punamakta, Agi Makedegi, Gamangi Makedegi, Wispijeri, Lakadu Basahi Sidai, Yamna Tantu Laitava, Ekoi Amagamaga. Koi khenama punamok thadokna re haraga dharmaniti rajniti punamak kaukthokna ra kanda dai koi Manipur kanba Manipur se shanti leiba lakadaiba chahi 2020 city koi development over koi amaga mateng pangna ra kanda da problem punamak aduga gap punamak solution tore haraga pitching tore haraga da koi nonga ya phabadugumba chahi ma oirasi.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted this morning with New Year wishes. It is the Prime Minister's first New Year after he won a second term with a massive victory in the national election held in April and May last year. On December 31 night, thousands of people came out on the streets to celebrate and usher in the new year. Firecrackers were heard in cities across the country. In Delhi's Shahin Bagh, people gathered overnight in the Whiting Court to protest against the new citizenship law that fast-tracks the process of giving citizenship to persecuted non-Muslims from 3 neighboring countries. The Citizenship Amendment Act for the first time makes religion the test of citizenship in India. The government says it will help minorities from 3 Muslim-dominated countries to get citizenship if they fled to India before 2015 because of religious persecution. Critics say it is designed to discriminate against Muslims and violates the secular principles of the Constitution, according to a report. The world ushered in the new year with spectacular fireworks across various parts such as India, Sydney, Tokyo and Dubai. However, celebrations in Australia were dampened by deadly wildfires, whereas protests were the backdrop of festivities in Hong Kong. India also witnessed a similar scene with protests in certain parts of the national capital. Partygoers in Dubai were left mesmerized by a laser and fireworks show at the Burj Khalifa, while a million revelers thronged Sydney Harbour and nearby districts to watch fireworks explode above the city, even as thousands of people along Australia's eastern seaboard self-refused from the vast fires on beaches. At New York's Times Square, the world-famous ball drop is the best place to witness the fireworks. Thousands of police officers were on duty for night's festivity, along with specialized units armed with long guns, bomb-sniffing dogs and other measures. Villagers of Rongdai village and the Longmai Nonne district today organized a New Year 2020 welcome service and dedication devotion on the theme, Know the Purpose of Your Living, at Rongdai Baptist Church RBC New Year Celebration Hall. Thousands of devotees attended the event. Greetings prayer reading from pastors of RBC, Angam Gangmei, greetings from Tamenglong Autonomous Council Executive Member G. Apokui were the main highlights of the event. Time now for a short commercial break, but next, PCTC distributes sports kit to players. More after the break.
Admission open. Board of Secondary Education Manipur na recognized Toraba Royal Academy of Science Wangkhay Imphal gi academic session 2021 gi mingchanabagidamag class 6 tagina 10 faubagi form thaba hauzare afaba satra leizade afaba satra puthokjabani akupa marol gidamag academy office ta contact tawbiyu.
Singzu Festival 2020 from 28 December 2019 to 6 January 2020.
Festival asigi manungchana
Thangta
blood donation camp,
Mukna
painting competition,
musical night,
solo dance competitions,
Likon
Miss Singju Queen 2020. Lamdam asida khundaminariba furup kayagi cultural programs su pangthokjaragani.
Singzu Festival 2020.
Singzu Festival 2020
lamdam masida khundaminariba isna punamakna
Toidana saruk yaba lakpiyu. Wangjing Kodongpopi lampakta pangthokjaragani.
Lamdam asigi miyamna saruk yabiduna festival asibu mapung phanbi.
Dakshila Institute, admission open, courses on offer. Dakshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Dakshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Dakshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Dakshila Imphal branch at Dakshila Heights, Thamaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Welcome back. PCTC today distributed sports kits to the players of TH Bidachandra Singh Football Academy to mark the completion of 20 years during a function held at TH BSFA ground of Taubungkol. The step was initiated to motivate the players. Besides launching a calendar for 2020, PCTC also announced the 4th state lottery to be organized in aid of Hero Eye Lake under 13 and 15. Talking at the event as chief guest, PCTC proprietor Prakash Chan Patai encouraged athletes in the state. At the event, founder of the academy, T.H. Krishna Tombi, presented simple gifts to the advisor of T.H. Pitachandra Singh Football Academy and senior residents of the locality.
Bir Sende Academy se akhoi mamang da so akhoi veteran gi kenoda champion bhau oi lo gi bese masi akhoi hona zaman magi macha singna magi huiro macha singna hona zaman gi chap chabak pawdum do masi thabok oin utpase ngasi mapung phab oi ngamangani masi makha tarakda 2020 gi mathang dagi di henna masak thokpa ama soide workani habase ai achep thajabani soidena su oibo oisin habagi khudumuk to isori mapum daina
Menta Fest 2019 to 2020 was kicked off yesterday at Warwick Garden of Laimaram. The festival, being held on the theme to rejuvenate the economy of Kunlaipa, will continue till 9th of January. Director of Memes and CESD of Manipur University, C.H. Ivohal, General Manager of District Industry Center, Taubal, K. Rohin Kumar, and President of T.H. Pitachandra Singh Football Academy, Soibam Kurai Lakpa, were present at the opening function. The Jiribam District Police seized 60,000 pieces of WY tablets worth around ₹30 lakh from an empty Tata oil tanker with registration number NL01G0903 near Highway English School, Jiribam on December 30 last. Police also apprehended the driver and the case has been registered at Jiribam Police Station in this regard, a report said today. Tripura state government has decided to provide dress allowance to the security personnel on their bank account. According to media reports, Tripura government has decided to provide dress allowance to the state security personnel on their bank account. Law Minister Ratan Lal Nath, in a press briefing at Civil Secretariat last night, informed this and said in the line of central government, the state government would start providing dress allowance to the police and Tripura State Rifles personnel through their bank accounts as early as possible. Not only direct cash benefits, the cabinet yesterday approved a proposal seeking substantial enhancement of dress allowance of TSR, police personnel and officers. This step will facilitate the security people in getting their uniforms in time, he added. Number of police inspectors in the state stands at 124. Sub-Inspector 581 and Assistant Sub-Inspector and Constables together count 8,604. Each Subadar, Nayak Subedar, Havildar and Rifleman will receive ₹10,000 per annum, while ₹10,000 for inspectors, ₹8,500 for Sub-Inspector, ₹7,500 for Assistant Sub-Inspector and Constable. The Assam State Zoo Botanical Garden and Aranyak has jointly attained a landmark achievement by successfully hatching a pair of greater adjutant chicks in an artificial platform within the zoo enclosure in the first ever experiment of its kind. This rarest of stocks, the Hargira, is currently on the brink of extinction due to habitat loss stemming from indiscriminate felling of big trees and dwindling wetlands. In 2017, Aranyak started collaborating with Assam State Zoo with a new idea of creating assisted breeding platforms for the captive greater adjutant stocks. The birds nested since 2017 but had failed to hatch so far. The Ministry of Railways has announced fare hikes across its non-suburban networks. The new train fares will be effective from today. According to an order issued by the Ministry of Railways on the occasion of New Year's Eve, ordinary and non-AC class fares have been increased by 1 paise per kilometer. The Railways also announced a 2 paise per kilometer hike in fares of Mail per Express non-AC trains and 4 paise per kilometer hike in the fares of AC classes. The fare hike is also applicable to premium trains such as Satabdi, Rajdhani and Duronto according to the order. However, there has been no increase in suburban fares and season tickets. According to the order, there will not be any change in the reservation fee, and superfast charge and hike in fares will not be applicable to tickets already booked. The railway have decided to increase fare hikes in non-suburban trains for expanding passenger amenities and facilities at various railway stations and trains. According to the order, the last fare revision over the Indian Railway was done in 2014 to 2015. Two Indian Army soldiers were killed late last night in an encounter with militants along the line of control in Nowshera sector of Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri district. The soldiers were killed during a cordon and search operation. Confirming the same, Lieutenant Colonel Devendra Anand, a Defense Ministry spokesperson, said that the operation is still underway. Media sources said that troops were carrying out searches in the area around Manawar Tawi in Karao since yesterday morning following inputs about the presence of some militants. The militants appeared to have sneaked into the area from across the LOC. When the searches were in progress, militants opened fire on the troops, and during a fierce gunfight, the two soldiers were killed. Another short break, but coming off. Army chief talks of eventual solution on China border issue. More after the breaks.
Yang wari.
Soktabadu lodi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance.
Rebalance to haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksang bu tagat tikna thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Admission open for Grace Goddess Academy Kaching. CBSE da affiliate tawraba Grace Goddess Academy gi admission hauzare. February tang ahum dagi regular class hauzaragani amadi lakliba January gi tang ahum dagi class 9 gi foundation course amadi class 10 gi question nature nainagadauri masida mahirui singna saruk yanaba khanganjari. Nupa nupi gi tongan ba boarding su laizai loina na bus amadi winger service Kaching Funal Kairak Langmaidong Palel Sora Tekcham Tentha Wangjing su laizai. Hena akupa marol ki damak contact you Grace Goddess Academy Kaching. Contact number 9366424189.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudimaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singe ba loan pisari. Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba marangda loan phongbiragani. Amadi adongi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano. Makal khudimaki gari ke asu bandan dauzare. Christmas ke oiba khadaba offer su pisari. Akupa marol gi damak talengsin birau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitainanda Temple Natragana Lamjingba Finance Uripok Havam Diwan Lekai. Ekoi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipur na pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba taugzari. Ambulance service asina miyam da pizari ba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa hospital dagi yumda puthaba hospital amadagi hospital amada puba yum thangnariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lauba loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yaraba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani. Masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari. Adom sunga simak save taushin view aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga play store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Menta Events is organizing Menta Fest 2019-20 from 31st December to 9th January 2020 at Waroi Garden, Laimaram. Co-powered by Kangla Construction in association with Career Info Solution. Enjoy the indigenous foods of Sekmai, Andhro, Laimaram, and many others. Experienced international chefs from across the globe. 10% off barbecue nights, bye-bye and New Year special. Tickets available at the following stores. Come and explore the beauty of the garden. Menta Events to rejuvenate the economy of Kanglei Park.
Welcome back. New Army Chief General M.M. Naravan said today that the armed forces were focusing on capability development in connection with the border with China and expressed hope that maintaining peace and tranquility there will help arrive at an eventual solution. According to media reports, the army chief who took over from General Bipin Rawat yesterday has taken a tough line on Pakistan and the terror it sponsors, saying in such a situation India reserves the right to preemptively strike at the source of terror. US President Donald Trump has said that war with Iran is not a good idea, even as he threatened Tehran after Iraqi supporters of pro-Iranian regime factions attacked the American embassy in Baghdad, forcing its diplomats to stay inside for safety. According to media reports, his statement came hours after hundreds of angry Iraqis said militia supporters, including women, broke into the U.S. Embassy compound in a high-security zone yesterday, after smashing a main door near parking and setting fire to a reception area, chanting, "Death to America," in anger over airstrikes that killed at least 25 fighters of the Iran-backed militia in Iraq, the Kataib Hezbollah. President Trump, in his brief interaction with reporters, said that the situation in Iran has been handled very well. Earlier, Trump threatened Iran after the attack on the American embassy, which was one of the worst in recent years. Now, the sports news. Manipur Kung Fu team bagged the first runner-up title with 81 gold medals at the 5th National Kung Fu Championship 2019 held at Sai Baba Sevadam Kanhepata of Pune, Maharashtra from December 28 to 30. The championship, hosted by Kung Fu Sports Association of Maharashtra, was organized under the aegis of All India Kung Fu Federation with sponsorship from Tata Power. Maharashtra bagged the championship title with 84 gold medals. Manipur won 25 silver and 22 bronze medals. The Sifu Award of the championship was conferred on the officials of Manipur team. The 13th edition of the Indian Premier League is set to start from March 29 this year, with the reigning champions Mumbai Indians kicking off their campaign at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. As per media reports, with an early start from IPL 2020, most Australian, English and Kiwi players will not be able to offer their services to their franchises for 2 matches, as they will be busy in international duties. Now we have the news back with headlines.
The Shanghai Express ILP guidelines published in Gazette come into effect. Assam likely to see birth of a political alternative out of anti-CAA protests. 1 injured in firing, 3 held. The People's Chronicle. 4-tier ILP system implemented. Gazette notification issued. State legislatures have no power on CAA, says Ravi Shankar Prasad. 41 UGs arrested in 2019, says Churachandpur Police. Imphal Free Press. Government series of lifting APSPA from state, says Chief Minister Biren. Tourism, Horti and agri to be priority in 2020. Child asthma on rise with increasing air pollution. Conviction given to 25 POCSO cases in 2019. Kerala becomes first state to pass resolution against CA.
Before we wind up the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Society cannot move ahead without healthy people, says Minister Dr. Radheshyam. MPCB Chairman L. Radhakishore against environmental pollution. And Prime Minister Modi extends New Year greetings. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.